Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm now in the Park and Ride car park, the MBPJ Park and Ride car park, and I'm trying to study the monsoon drain system over here that flows towards the Taman Aman Park and Tasik Aman. Now, this, of course, you see the LRT line, but you can see there part of a new building being built at the top of Section 21 or Sea Park. And this whole thing here is, well, part of Sea Park actually. Now you can see a monsoon drain, a bit of a monsoon drain, covered monsoon drain coming from over there. It's coming from, right, you can see clearly, I hope you can see, monsoon drain coming from over there. And then it runs underground in the car park. And if I turn around here, you can see these flats. This is the Tasik Aman apartments, or I believe they are maybe PPE apartments or public accommodation. Now this is interesting. The monsoon drain from there, from that part of section 21 emerges here, and if I were to move a little bit over here, you can also see that it is, now I'm looking at section 22, you are bringing in water from section 22. It's kind of difficult to, over there, you can probably see in the distance, you can see some pipes. Now that is bringing water down from section 22. You can see, over here, those two round pipes. And if I move over here, sorry, this is a bit jerky. You can see that the water from those pipes over there comes under the road here and comes down here, and it joins water coming from over there. I hope I can get a good view of that from the flats, and it flows here towards here, where it goes covered underground here, near to where the guardhouse or the so-called ticket counter is in this MPPJ park. Okay, I will stop it now and continue when I further down. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what we have here is a big monsoon drain that is flowing down beside this LRT station, where it comes from the lower part of section 21 and the upper part of section 20, and it flows over here towards the park, Taman Aman Park. And of course you can notice over here that TNB pylon, which is lifted up on concrete stilts, and of course a glimpse of Tasik Aman over there. Now you remember in that video it flooded, okay? Now I'm going to go over there and show you something more. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see on one side, coming from on the right, is that monsoon drain that comes down from the side of the Taman Aman, the Taman Paramount LRT station, bringing water from the lower part of section 21 and the upper part of section 20. And here you see a conduit or an underground monsoon drain emerging. Now we saw this running past the flats, then it went underground near the ticket counter of the MPBJ Park and Ride car park, and it emerges here. And then you see what happens, okay? It goes here, and it enters into another big underground portion of monsoon drain that passes underneath the public park here. It goes through the public walkway of the public park, and you will also recognize this TNB pylon. Now the water, as you saw in that video, it was flowing through from here underneath this pylon, over that wall, and pouring into the lake. Now, do you get a picture of what's happening? This is the water coming into the lake. And where did it come from? Well, I suppose it comes from here. I mean, where else would the water come in such volume come off from? Then pour into the lake. It comes from here. And of course, now, I don't know, I can't understand what could have happened, but could it be overflowing this huge mouth over here? I'm not sure. But it's amazing. Of course, the only other explanation could be that this land here, this side here, of where I'm standing on, is probably at a higher level than that part over there. So if the water rose up to this level over here, it would naturally overflow to that side, because this side of the bank of this monsoon drain is higher. That's a possibility.
মালয়েশিয়ার অবস্থা আজকে 5 বছর যাবত ভাই এরকম দেখিনি ভাই। আজকে এই 2-3 যাওয়াতে ভাই শুরু হয়েছে ভাই। দেখেন ভাই, আপনারা দেখেন ভাই,
এই যে প্লেয়ারগুলো সবাই ভিডিও করতেছে, সাথে আমগর সুপারভাইজার আছে, বস আছে। কি অবস্থা, সবাই আচানক মালয়েশিয়া 5 বছর যাবত 7 বছর যাবত মালয়েশিয়া দেখতেছি না আজ পর্যন্ত এরকম কোনো কিছু হয়েছে। এই ফার্স্ট দেখলাম যে পরিস্থিতি। ওইও আমরা শরীয়তপুরের মানুষের একটু দেখার সুযোগ করে দিলাম। এই যে দেখো মালয়েশিয়ার পরিস্থিতি। এখানে এই যে পানিগিরি দেখতেছে, এই পানির ভিতরে নিচে ঘাস আছে। এখন এখানে প্রায় ভয়াবহ অবস্থা, পানি আর প্রচুর পানি। এই যে দর্শক এক এক করে ভিডিও করতেছে। দেখো দেখো, এই আমগুলো টাকলু বস কেমনে করে চুল পাকছে আর মাথা, হাই হাই রে, মাঝখান দিয়ে কটুক পাকছে। ওইও সব